So what we got today, this is a 1988 Mustang. We are gonna do the LED upgrade to the headlight bulbs. New headlight housings, which look way good, but the old bulbs kind of don't necessarily light up the road like the current stuff does. So here's what we have from Auxito. This one on the right, I'll put the link below as to what it is, and then this one on the left, that's the stalker. So it's not too hard to pull out. These ones have these little retainer holders on them there. I mean, they literally just fit right in there. There's a seal on it and everything. And hopefully it's gonna be a lot wider and brighter, but we'll compare after we're all installed here. We'll get some night shots and all that, but on this particular car, you can get to it right through the top, and same on the other side here. You can see it right there. Not too crazy, and if you had to, you could also go from the bottom too. So we'll get these in there, and then we will compare here with some before and after footage. So not sure if this is gonna show on video, but obviously that's our Auxito bulb there, and then this is the stalker over here. To compare, like the ends, like the running lights, whatever you want to call them, those are LEDs already. So really the only halogen is right there on that passenger side, but that's to compare the two. And if it doesn't transfer, I mean, it's much wider obviously, and then the lenses, I think they're gonna work well with it, even though they have like the lines, like they're not totally clear, but I think it's gonna be fine. But you can tell like that way they are, it's definitely a lot brighter. So we'll change this side here, and then we'll cut to pretty much this view here with them both changed. All right, as promised, there's both of them done. If we get close, you can hear the fans running in them. I think they're built in. LED headlights bulbs have come a long way. I mean, before they used to have a big, huge fan in it. And you just saw how nicely assembled these are. I mean, they're all metal. The fans are running, which is fine, but they're not like a big fan, you know, you can see really or anything. But much better. I'm gonna flip around here and let me show you the throw on these things, because they're the one problem people have with these is they say they're too bright, and they're just, but I personally don't think if you put an LED bulb and you aim it right, it's any worse than any new car with these lights. You just gotta make sure you're aimed right and all that. So let me flip this around, I'll show you what I mean. All right, so we're doing this at night, obviously. Driver's side front corner here, and pretty solid. We did put these headlights in recently, so I think they need aimed a little bit, and even more so now with the LED. But you can see, I mean, it's really white, and that's what you're going for with this look. You're not necessarily going for like brighter, you just want it, I mean, it is brighter, but you want like just a nicer look overall, and I think that does it. But with the LEDs on the side bits too, that's a nice touch overall. It just makes it look newer. So, all right, I'll link these below from Auxito, but that's the retrofit into a '88 Mustang, and pretty easy to do. They fit right in there. So check them out, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.